80% in school kurano omuntua school fees
abuza from mamu nyina makwaba e de bagana and Sam TV so but omo dey so be like video no be subscribe to the channel no what turn on notifications say be next time videos of this nature eba also sabit makabina so watch the comment section ho maybe whom be from Mr. President Amejo so TikTok or comment section ho by be whom be from Mr. President Amejo so ko yin na edwum say that bia no e betim the new patriotic party aba power na ya bana Ghana fo nyina ho ato ko amamo we dey e dey into Sudan say man we need that bia na de bia me ka sem bi say amanyesom ne yeye no so wa mo ni anda ho a ho be chiro pa the moment I be hold the public office and say who say you own it a responsibility, I mean a sole responsibility to serve the ordinary Ghanaian. But I think say I do retirement nkofo bebree if you say a public office no more hold it. As a result of that, it is their sole responsibility to impact and improve lives of people. They have forgotten about that. Abushami chankra, momi enko. Yenko ko video bi mra. Na video no we are going to take our time and digest the issues out of the perspective of the ordinary girl, not the perspective of Mr. President here. Women come rest here.
abuja for monyi masona muntin kai bosema wo ho aye na no Monday no na etwa se school ameme ma no ekọ no mo kyerɛ nsohwe a omodi bekọ akoma kwan ana mo kyerɛ mo exams Monday ne yeso man kyerɛ ana no Tuesday yeso man kyerɛ ti enna meme yese me first school mo na makobisa ne nti a exams na duru ho a yeso mo kyerɛ na in fact ya rekusem esaye mobo na me ko tie free headmaster na no mu no a wase 80% 70% to 80% in school kurano omuntua school fees and omuntua exam fees omo yaso mo rechi parents na mo frɛ papafo no abisa mo nti a omuntua fees and exam fees no na asema obia ka ne se niam mo ayedene baby mo ayedene na omun niska ometua nti ka omo ma mo mre kakra na ne santi ne school so ne school ne ka ne se sanete dia ene so hwe na omunya me kura na school a me kura eko enwa asem na mekai enso hwe no yenim se enne ana kyena no matwere esan se awofo no ma bebre se omo ho kyere omo nti school fees ne exam fees a etwa se yetua a ebi ne mo so mo tua be 1 million 100 cedis ebi mo de 1.2 ayo wa kan say 1.20 and I can say sorry 120 cedis no eno krampo e ho asem ayetene a me kura se ebi ka me anopai mi aminua a wokuma se wono ne timi sende mi skana me kutua me ma no afiso ti o mai we mu na ye kase akuafo ho kyere omo na mo ntia ase no mo ba bia kowie so mo ba bia kowie enwura na me wono fifire timi sa no wo ba ye adwuma ne saa afiri be kona wie na wasa wo gina fimfim na de se wo twa u10 wo hu ne wo ye wabrabo ntia ho kyere ne ntia na akuadwuma na enkoso ntinu ti yamma nkura no kotena fie ana me bisa yamma nkura no enjoy school ana
yet your man Harry na Bruce muji double salary na na do hu omomobo ana de onye hwekura no mukwochim omo anya appointments kwa na mo no akwochim mesi yankasa the question a Ghana for bi sa mo no say Women Development Bank na wehi ekokwa amosimo de mo amkokwa nketinkete en confirm 2 yard ano enazo nkokwa nketinkete no mo say mufu soldiers na atwa videos abramo say nkokwa no makumo mawe na ka oma na akukọ mienu asa akukọ miensa no onfa onu ni sika obeto adwane adi no onfa no nto adwane ma akukọ mienu no ho akukọ mienu se opese obo obi invest obi life is it not an insult so obi be ye campaign ato aba ma ono akoma na akukọ mienu na akukọ ba akukọ esen akukọ ba na nu ti no kodnya wiem to aba ba akukọ ba nti na Ghana fo kodnya wiem to aba ma akukọ ba mienu na de man se mama akukọ nketenkete fa akukọ obra Mwanti mama ni preko, mwanti mama na kwanchi, akukọ. It not to abamamu. And you think it's funny? Mobe pay be na my no. Mo arresting crofo. Thinking say Ghana for best to abamamu. Me say mo Bamba president man 6 times. Just the next time NPP is coming back to power. It's more than monkey come on him unsem. Ghana for na come. Ghana for him. Ghanaians are hungry. It me say baby Edru na esa time yi chairman fokumu every party nim no. Na Ghana for comedy om. Baby man stop NPP from winning. It's more than mo say NPP for kon. It almost say NPP will be in opposition again. Mo de dada mo ho. Me kwa koda. Na minister na o say mo full soldiers video nkokwa na bra mo so mo kun nkokwa na ewe no. Time so a e na obehu. Agric minister, me say time so a me akra na me point say wo ye mechi nkotum wo bekọ. Ye be jelu. Ti woni ma be nkokwa no wo na akọpa mo sambra. Nkofo kuma we wa akoto bibre mo. Sa akọkọ de John story number 2 ache nkofo. Wo di sika na wie no. No aka say kumare na
obeti atechem. Wo suro se obekọ ti bi amanfo wo na ye tua uka o taxpayers money e na ye di tua uka. Ghana for one ma yensen si form papa. One ma Ghana for esi form. Now I don't blame you. Me blame Ghana for na enya adaje ko sell lie eto abasama o because wo betena so for good 12 years. Wo be ye vice president. E ma wu jade atamos ewu ye. Yedisa show nsama wo buye wo wie wo se wo nye president da. E ma ye vote ma wo ma wo be di 4 years aye 8 years. Wo se a we twa 4 years chinchina ye sama wo mra se a wo be twa 12 good years. Wo tumi nye hwe. Wo promises en kokon ketenkete omo adwane en confirm a wo di ba ya omo kọ Burkina. Koko fu a wo promise omo se wo betu ebula ama koko farmers bia wo ba ye wo beti koko no so ewum wo nsan so ntua ka wo firi omo koko wo di omo ka wo ba ye wo si agenda 111 ye hu hwe afi na wo si market aye abeifo kodi dwa na access amanfo kodi dwa wo ye nti ase wo be sori e na wo si market ne bathroom wo he efiri Kwame Nkrumah time market bie ni Ghana a bathroom ni toilet enim ewo mu di dada wo ewo mu edi dada na ya nkoto ayeda enso efa enkrofo a wo se den ya nkoto ayeda we are disappointed to Ghanaians. We are very incompetent. Incompetent President Mahama administration. What disappointed Ghana for? Wo nyame eyineni efri wo so nyame nsan ni wo so. Won kwa wo ba power. Mun kwa mo party and a sitting president ewu. Mun kwa mo party and a sitting vice president ewu. Mun kwa mo party o. Mun kwa mo party. Me say balok di we chi no. Ghana for ansha. This 2 years aka ahuhie hia wo balok di Ghana for be komo no. Esum bi mbada. Esu bi mbada o.
Bibia asay wo hwe your sports say hwe Black Stars afi Black Stars omuntimi hwe goal biom
wa ni incompetence na ewo nu mu no wodi be ya ne nte be ne ya nte obedi kan appointed the akire wo se wo na wo testa so na for ni na ekire no such an incompetency ye the world cup na be fie Brasters ya she goals say woto e bi nsi da
wodi be man ko foforo won ma assembly won ma sanitation bio anya wa sa sanitation for disika yakwaji loan na breast sanitation for won fa nye hwe na wo ba obeje fi sanitation for na wo je ye no anya wa sako hwe no sako shi tata nso tonshina baby shi hey who ya dio nkwa ho ba eja hihie hey Mr. Pad unya ba perfect intro say what a pad sanya wide we say pad na be ye bibia mo Into about 15 minutes. You can even waste as much as 1.5 hours. So we are just pleading. They should just come to our aid. Make it a little more trouble so that it will be. I'm a teacher and I'm still here. My learners are in school waiting for the teacher, and the teacher is still here. So we are just pleading. They should just come and fix it for us. We beg them. How long have you been waiting? Oh, I got here for almost 4 hours. Yeah, if I'm not, yeah, 4 hours. Because I got here before 6 o'clock, and we are still here. It's 9 something. So it's more than almost 3-4 hours we've been here. And so these are the more residents who are gathered here, sharing their flights here. I understand your frustration, but let me engage some of the organizers of this particular demonstration. Now we understand you've blocked the road for close to 3 hours. She says she's a teacher. She's not able to go to school. So how long are you going to continue this?
More than 4 hours. More than 4 hours.
Ojene da no. Si mu de bia ye ka ho asem. Oman we just yenim oman ni issue ayewo. Ko ye hwe ne ma papa na adan kwakufo Dr. Laji Mahmood Bawumia ye de ma oman we a. Any 2024 elections eko, ye no ma Dr. Bawumia e den e de kire Ghana fa se me ba we na me ye ma mo na. Busia na ke ye nsem fata de yensa kan. Serious. So in fact, on my bit me could borrow or my be presidency. On my bit me could borrow or my be leaders are KBA, the new patriotic party, the leaders of the party, KBA borrow another African country to cause development there. For the first time in the history of the country, we have generalized free senior high school. The word is generalized. For the first time in the history of the country, we have active drone delivery systems. For the first time in the history of the party and of the country, yetimi enya active and well facilitated health facilities across the length and breadth of the country. Agenda 111. We may say impo yenwie because the agenda na the person here number of hospitals and the is yentime because of time. But those ones yetimi we go and see how they have been operationalized. And then me look say we have some of the hospitals in fact, yeah, equipping hospitals are all right, but because of political tantrums and political gains, me look say yeah, hospitals and they go sana no me say. It is a Kenyan who say na no me nyina be ya. It is a scan kan kan dey wasa botumi we say oh, I mean say we say people for ya comfort. Name ma comfort ma sacrifice discard to what they are hospitals, ma mo so mo ya comfort. A comfort ma facilitate me say on be fund free seniors mo so mo ya comfort. You say anya Ghana for dey. Na fe na tables na 10 afi dem mokekam kakaka. Why are they shouting? Obi ankara no ntum ne nko no ho. Asofo no mo nko ma ntum with asofo no with the greatest of respect. Omo nko ma ntum ne nko nyina ho. Chief imam for nko ma ntum ne nko nyina ho. Politicians nko ma ntum ne nko nyina ho. Market women omo nko ma ntum ne nko nyina ho. Obi ankara no ntum ne nko nyina ye ho. 2020 Jua, then you will know the way forward. Yeti kroma obi so ono ba ono the credit scoring system be ba mo so open konketenkete. Nanze bibini na nkasa de se bi ye bibia yanketenkete ya adwen yanketenkete ye bibia ye bia invest square ye yanketenkete. We want everything in pieces. We don't want everything in bulk. Adi asem kra ni. Obi ma credit scoring system also open konketenkete. Obi introduce electric or electronic bus systems, most of them konketenkete. Is any one there? You people chose policy, you people chose music over policy. Then you tell me ho papa, and I feel them go watch them. Me na wo ne wo sia chem say bi, me na me go catch you Rajon Dramani ma say all members come to Mutu one. Ye wa ha. Digitalization ye start say ye mo say there bi. Digitalization and to kinki, nti mo pe kinki sika. Nti amamu papa na ba, omo ma mo kinki, amamu a ade na mo kam. Ye wo krom ha ya. And the Rajon Dramani mama could not and can form Gafon catch up say, oh, Gafon, oh, now what they are making and we have utilization here. And I got for so can you but Banama boom, 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 much about my kinky government. It's me.
Say dear go your credit menu now to me who let be a yoke of what Troy about Council of State member voter region. Now Miss Fiums, hey, Ramona Chapa ya hype say where can say Israel train, Israel train.
But the issue is true.
Okay, the letter now was say Council of State member no, were former staff Emanam 1, which is never true.
Onya Juma order.
Onya Juma or da. And Onya Juma or da. Amanam 1 for the first time. Nam 1 I post. Oh yes, Nam 1 I post.
Yeah, no catch you. We say, oh, the panel boy.